Hey everyone, it's me, your girl from 11-3 Action! So, panibagong araw, panibagong reaction na naman ang hatid ko sa inyo tungkol sa Kidelex. Yeah, so this video guys ay talaga namang kinukumpile ko ito para naman sa ganun na meron akong sariling video na aking i-react. So itong video na aking i-react ay ito po ang mga kaganapan kahapon o kagabi sa Star Magic Prom. So bago yan, kung hindi mo pa napanood ang aking reaction tungkol sa Kidelex kahapon, please bisitahin nyo po yung channel ko at nandoon po ang mga video na nire-react ko po from proposal to proposal song ng Kidelex. So, kung ikaw ay baguhan sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. Sana ay magustuhan nyo ang video na ito. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video, guys. O, diba? Aurang-aura. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda ni Alexa dito. Yung hair niya at talaga naman si KD ay napaka-gentleman. So ngayon ay nagrarampa-rampa na sila sa ivory carpet. Tama ba?
I'm not sure right now. Syempre, check nyo guys. Pero
ang ganda niya. Sobra maladyosa ang dating niya dito, ha? Ang ganda ng gown niya. Silver ang dating. Shining, slimmering, splendid. And yung hair niya, pang ano lang, Ariel lang ang
musical wonder boy
diba? Bagay talaga silang dalawa.
And apparently a great cook as well, as we all saw sa promposal. Napanood niyo ba yun, guys? KD cooked for Alexa. How sweet is that?
Yes.
His designer tonight is Mr. Francis Libir.
Okay, so ayun na nga ay sinabi dito sa narrator na talaga namang yung damit ni Alexa ay from Francis Biliran. So, wow, napakaganda ng gown na suot ni Alexa. Talaga namang nagniningning siya dito, guys. At I really like the, ano bang tawag dyan? Mga colors, mga light colors, something like that, no? Kasi hindi talaga ako marunong mag-comment sa mga malalalim na komento tungkol sa damit. But based on my observation, talagang napaka-light lang yung dress. And bagay-bagay kay Alexa kasi nga maputi din si Alexa, no? And matching with her, you know, ma-Ariel na buhok, na long hair. Talaga namang bagay na bagay sa kanya ang color at ang length ng buhok. So, as a makeup, nice. It's very simple yet, and it's giving also. And, yes, parang feeling ko siya ang ano ngayon, ningning ng gabing yan. Yes, parang ganun. At also, KD, I love her, what we call it, tuxedo. Let me know in the comments kung ano mga tao na mga damit na yan. Pero, wow, ang ganda, ang gwapo niya, at talagang sa suot ni KD na yan is talagang umaapaw yung kagwapuhan
Grooming
niya.
by Amy Gray and Chino Maniquis. Alexa Ilacad, meanwhile, is the new gen drama and musical sweetheart.
Parang siyang fairy, something like
the Killer
that.
Bride,
No?
young Bobby in Four
Fairy
Sisters
lang
before the
yung
wedding.
damit niya, something ganyan.
Congratulations, already to the prom king, Star Magical Prom King.
Okay, so ito na, nag-a-announce na sila.
The honors. Go ahead, brother.
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations!
Wait.
You are the 2024 Star Magical Prom King!
Oh. Yeah.
KD Estrada!
There you have it, guys. Our prom king of year 2024 is KD Estrada. And, you know naman kung sino ang prom queen. So, dito sa video kasi nilagyan ko siya ng mga background, music. At binulyohan, niloko yung volume para hindi tayo makabiright at mablock. Kasi mahigpit kasi sila. Oh my God. Ang masasabi ko dito no is talagang taon nila taon nila ito guys, ng Kedlex. So, do you agree with me sa sinabi ko na taon nila ito?
The question is all in our heads. Let's see.
Kasi sa pagkaalam ko, 3 ang kanilang nasungkit. O, diba?
Bell,
So,
thank you very much.
mabuhay ang Kedlex.
Big smiles, Katie.
So, inayos niya muna yung and yung sash and the crown. Medyo na natagilig yung crown, but it's okay. Gwapo pa rin naman siya.
Katie.
Alright. Oh my God, Katie. Oh, look at smile. Oh my, ang cute ng smile. Nakakagigil.
Question is, will history repeat itself? Just like last year, we all had that one artist in our heads who will be perfect for our prom king. The question is, will her name be called? Superfans and supporters, chat your fearless predictions right now. People inside the ballroom, I think they're ready. Who will be this year's
Ay,
prom
of
queen?
course. Alexa Ilacan na yan. Sino pa ba?
Do the honors.
Ang attitude.
Together on the count of 3. Congratulations, you are the 2024 Star Magical Prom Queen.
Alexa Ilacan!
Alexa,
Wow.
Katie, I need your help.
Congratulations!
Ang masasabi ko, deserve nila ito, no?
Congratulations, Kate Alex,
Deserve.
the Star Magical Prom King and Queen 2024.
Oh my God. Ang ganda.
No one can say it.
Ang ganda din ni Belle, no? Sa kanyang gown. Yellow gown.
Passing of the power as well. 2 of the brightest love teams in our nation right now. Standing here again. Let's make sure this is fixed as well. Her crown.
Taon nila ito. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy for Kedlex. Kasi nga ay,
They take their picture
ano sila eh. Taon nila ito.
prize that moment, ladies and
And they deserve
once again, your Star Magical
and worth it naman yung mga
King and Queen.
ginagawa nila as a love team.
Big smiles, everyone.
And of course,
Center.
ano sila, what do you call it?
Special
Maraming mga, sa fan base ay ang dami talagang fans ng Kedlex. Since PPB hanggang ngayon, like, oh, ang ganda ng smiley Katie. He's so cute and yet beautiful naman si Alexa. Very, bagay talaga sila guys.
Donnie and Belle, well deserved. And of course, thank you too, guys. One more picture for everyone. Getting to see these two blossom is always a pleasure. But we ask now to Katie and Alexa, what are your messages to everyone who voted for you tirelessly, even throughout the past couple of days and tonight? What do you want to say to all of your supporters? Oh, wow. We just...
Alright, sa video na yan is, kumbaga, ginawa nila ng video as the King and Queen Prom Night of 2024 ng Star Magic Prom. So, kung ito, dito i-post na talagang well-deserved naman itong dalawang to na masungkit ang King and Queen. And sa tulong na din ng mga fans niya, di ba? Di ba, meron diyang mga vote, something like that. Let me know in the comment section. Kasi hindi ako educated sa mga ganitong bagay na mga ganap ng Star Magic. And yes, as you can see talagang, yung smile nila, no? Parang magkamukha sila dito, guys. Like sa smile, something like that. Wow, ganda-ganda. And then, yan, sa picture na yan, guys, is, yan, sila din ang nanalo ng prom close-up. Yes, at hindi ko lang siya nagawa ng video kasi hindi ko siya mahanap. Kahit, short lang na clip, no? So, sila po yung napiling a close-up of the night sa prom. And, as you can see, deserve naman din nila yan. And sa ikalawa nga picture, ayan, dyan. Nasungkit nila po ang best proposal of the year, guys. Oh! sayang wala akong video. Meron akong nakita pero parang pangit pagkakuha, low quality. So, I decided na picture na lang yung papakita ko dito sa video na ito. And ayan ang award nila. Yes, best proposal. And will deserve naman nila yon na makuha kasi very unique nga. Maraming nasasabi na sa lahat ng proposal, ito yung pinaka-unique. Kahit na marami na tayong napanood ng mga proposal last year pa. So, ito yung pinaka-unique. And yes, nasunggit nila at deserve naman nila at deserve din nila lalo-lalo na sa side ni Kiddy. Talaga namang pinag-isipan na talagang wala pang nakakagawa ng ganun. Kung meron man, let me know in the comment section. Charing nagmamaldita. And yes, and sa ikatlong picture na yan is yung King and Queen prom of Star Magic Prom of the Night year 2024. O diba, 3 awards kumbaga ang nasungkit nila ngayong taong na ito. Una yung close up, pangalawa yung proposal, best proposal video, and of course sila ang ng King and Queen Star Magic Prom 2024. Palakpak naman dyan. Yes. So, ayun na nga guys. That is the last one. There you have it guys. Ang masasabi ko naman dito sa Kedilex is napakaganda, napaka-ningning ng gabing yan. At talagang masasabi kong Kedilex, sa kanila ang taon na ito. Yes naman, kung agree kayo sa sinasabi ko. At yes, well, deserve naman talaga kasi nga ay napag-isipan na walang nakakapantay talaga from the proposal. Tapos yung kanta nila is napakaganda din. Walang makatatalo talaga sa Kedilex kasi sa fan base lang din basihan, mas marami. I think meron din sa Francet, pero parang mas nafe-feel ko talaga yung fans ng Kedilex. Talagang umiingay kahit sa social media. Kahit i-search nyo pa sa social media guys, talagang nakalagay doon Kedilex Prom trending. Kemi, yung may apoy-apoy, yung lit-lit emoji, parang ganun. So ayun na nga, as a fan is I feel so proud and happy na nasukit nila yung 3 na yon, which is, diba, from close up to best proposal to King and Queen of the Night. So, saan ka pa? Kedilex na! So, sana ay magustuhan nyo ang video na ito, guys. And if you like this reaction, please let me know in the comment section. And if you any suggestions about Kedilex, please let me know and give me some link para naman sa ganun ay malaman natin kung ano ang video o tamang video ang ating ibibigyan ng reaction. And yes, yeah, don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and see you to my next video guys. Bye for now.